I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
So what's up, everybody? I'm back. So if you watched my previous video, I had a leaky heater core. And we did a quick fix, so I was able to get back on the road, and I've been working like that ever since. I live in California, so right now we got some pretty good weather. The only time I really need the heater is when it's raining, so I've been putting it off. But today we're finally gonna go ahead and get started with the new one. I actually have everything already. It's right there, this box. I got everything that I need in there already. So I guess I'll have to do it today. So the heater core is in that box right there, but when I went to take it out, the cup holder is in the way. So to remove the cup holder, I got to take off all this right here, all this. So we're gonna start by taking off all these screws, and then taking off more screws. Well, probably not those, but underneath this little faceplate, there's more screws at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all those screws taken out, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, so once you take off the faceplate, it's gonna look a little something like this. And as you can see, there are 3 more screws. 1, 2, and 3. And then there are 2 screws at the bottom down here. So you take those out. Maybe these right here, I'm not too sure, we'll see. Alright guys, so once you remove the screws that I showed you, plus the 2 at the bottom, if you look underneath, you'll see it, they're pretty obvious. Basically your cup holder will just drop. I also found this, it was just loose, it was just there. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. Anyways, so from here, that's the heater core right there. So from there, this thing should just slide right out. Let me put the phone down and see if I can get it loose. Alright, so just like I said, the heater core will slide right out, and it did. The only thing that gets stuck a little bit is this part right here, the nozzle. So you just have to wiggle it a little bit, and then once you get like this far, what I did is I turned it, and then it just came right out. So this is the old one right here. This was the one that was leaking. I don't know where it was leaking from. I was trying to see if maybe it would be obvious, but it hasn't had any coolant running through it for like 2 weeks now since we did the bypass. So I don't know, who knows where the leak was. So we're gonna put the new one in now so that I can basically lock all this up again. So this is what the new one looks like. I got mine directly from the dealer. I just went over there, gave them my VIN number. They got me this. And the kit, I don't know if it's a kit technically, but it comes with the heater core, comes with a new cover, and it comes with screws for that cover. What mine didn't come with was these seals, and it's a good idea to replace them. Obviously they're made out of rubber, so they don't last forever. Mine didn't come with them. I actually had to make a separate trip back to the dealer and ask for them. So if yours doesn't come with it, you should definitely ask the parts guy, and he can hook you up. All right, we're gonna slide the new one back in there, and like I said, then I'm gonna clean this up because we're running out of time. All right, you guys, as you guys saw, I got everything cleaned up, got everything put away, and that was just that was a quick video on how to remove your heater core. I haven't hooked up the coolant lines yet, which I'll do later. But I just wanted to show you guys how to remove the heater cord and put in the new one. Basically, what to remove and what needs to be moved around and stuff like that. So I hope this was able to help someone out, and I'll see you on the next video.
I'm a lone wolf.